It began as a celebration, a fair, a feast, cotton candy skies and spinning carousels. The year was 1920, and Toronto danced. I remember the joy, rows of lemonade, tin whistles, big brass bands. The CNE was a playground, a dizzy, sparkling dream of what summer could be. We didn't know we were making history, we were just having fun.
You know, people not just come to the CNE for the rides and the air show, or to watch my friend hang from a helium balloon and play with her bed sheets. Just kidding, those are aerial silks, and she's an amazing acrobat. People come for the big moments. First dates, first kisses, deep fried butter, regrets? But don't worry, you won't regret it till tomorrow, so enjoy that butter today. They come to celebrate a win, a birthday, a second chance, or maybe to make a memory that lasts longer than the summer. I came to the CNE once and left with something better than a prize. It's still the best thing I've ever taken home from the CNE.